look at my shadow. I've been dyeing and bleaching my hair since I was 20. Going to a hairstylist, I still wasn't getting the results I wanted, so. We're gonna be bleaching my hair with Good Dye Young's hair lightening kit. I've been using this for about a year now. As you can tell, my hair is really dark. It's like not black, but it's damn close to black, and I used to have to bleach it twice. Brad Mondo likes us to section, but you know, I ain't never sectioned in my life. Not even for cutting my hair, so. I am gonna start from the back though. Usually I start like in the front and I'll go all the way to the back, but I'm gonna start in the back and we'll just see where we end up. Gonna use some gloves. Usually I don't, but for the sake of that I'm recording it right now, I'm gonna use some gloves. I also have a bowl in this, which I do apply the bleach with color. That's a different story. Nice. I'm gonna use the whole thing. Sometimes I'll use like half, but you really want to cake your hair in bleach, so I'm gonna use the whole thing. Yucky. I have another mirror so I can see the back. Do I worry about burning my scalp? No. Should I? Probably. Oh, I could do it from here. I'll turn around. So wait, this is gonna be a different video that Brad Mondo usually watches, because usually they're like, fails, you know, I tried to dye my hair and it went horribly wrong. That doesn't happen for me. This is the most thorough I think I've ever been when bleaching my sectioning's going to about this point where it usually does, so. I think I took too big of chunks, if I'm being honest, so. I think I'm getting better at this because I've been watching Brad Mondo videos, you know? This is going too smoothly. This is going way too smoothly. These little pieces are like the worst. I don't know why. They never like stay down. Actually, the back's looking so good. Look at this. It's like, I haven't even left it on for that much. I can't tell if that's like a brown spot or is that like I just put that bleach on. No, I just put that bleach on. I'll put some more on just because I might have accidentally washed it off. It seems like I got the back really well, but the front I started sectioning too big. All right. You know what? Trust it. Just trust it. You did a really good job, Becca. You did a really good job, Becca. No. Okay, this is the part where it like starts going south, right? No. No. So we usually use one of these bags. It's got the writing on it. The bleach takes the writing off of it. It looks like it's on the outside though. You can tell like some of it's out a little bit, but I think that would be fine. All of that red stuff is acne. I've got acne on my neck, which I didn't know about until I started filming, so. How's it look? Some of these pieces are still slightly brown. I don't really know what to do. I don't want to leave it on longer because I feel like that's gonna hurt. I'm just gonna leave it for like 10 more minutes. We'll give it 10 more minutes. It's been 10 minutes. Oh yeah, that's much better. I mean, my best bet is just to wash it now. So it looks pretty good. So I think it lightened up really well. For how dark it was, these parts are a little orangey, but that's fine. The blue's gonna take it easily. Or you know what? I'm gonna dry my hair and then we'll go from there. Look. It looks good. All right, I think I'm ready for blue. For the color, we're using Good Dye Young's Blue Ruin. I've been using this color for almost a year and I love it. Everything's all washed, we're ready. This is an older box that I was using. Oh. We need to get every piece of hair. Every piece of hair. This is my favorite hair color. So looking normal. Remember when I said I was gonna section? This is the most effective way, don't judge me. My skull is going to be blue, yes. You still doing okay? All right, so it looks pretty good. The bright side of this hair color is I've got a lot left over, so if I feel like I need some more, easily just put it in. Maybe I'll put some extra here. I still have some left in this bowl, so I'm actually just gonna probably throw the gloves away, but leave it. I'm gonna leave it in case I need some more. And also, I have no plans, so I'm just gonna leave this hair dye in for a few hours. I know Brad's gonna be like, not in the face, but honestly, This is the cleanest job I've ever done. And I think it's because I know that I'm gonna post this online, you know? I was thinking, as I was putting on this hair dye, I've never went anywhere to bleach my hair. I've always bleached my hair myself, which is nuts, right? Cool, I'll see you in a few hours. Just so you know, before we show results in the next 2 seconds, I stream on Twitch at ApothicDK, and I'm loving it, okay. It's been a month. I have not recorded an outro. Here's a clip, bloop, of it being freshly dyed from Pride Pasta, which is super fun. You should go watch that video. Anyways, this is about a month later, a little over a month later. You can tell it's pretty faded, but also it's holding up really well, and like, I just really like it when it fades. Anyways, have a good day!